Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys need to see where the fuel injectors relay is located, it's actually hidden. Stay with us, we'll explain that, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So the fuel injectors relay, let's explain where it's located on a 2013 Toyota Camry that we have right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in one of them, and that fuse box is easy to access. It's right under the hood guys. If you pay attention, that's your engine, car battery, and that's the fuse box here. All we have to do, you need to open that cover, and once you open it, you're going to see a fuse box layout like this one. But before we guys continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all we had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuel injectors relay guys, where it's located, if you look right here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays at the most. This is right here for the alarm siren horn, that ours doesn't come with that, that's why it doesn't have it, but none of those is for fuel injectors. You need to have a relay for the fuel injector. So where it's located guys, there is very limited information about that, but based on our experience guys, it could be 2 places, and most likely we'll point each one of those. Okay, most likely it's in that right here, that's integrated relay guys. It's a multi-purpose relay, computerized relay practically, that does multiple things. That relay right here most likely controls the fuel injectors as well. Another place that could be, it's practically integrated in the engine computer, which is right here next to the fuse box, but I'm pretty sure that the fuel injectors relay is right here as part of the integration relay. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.